Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the thermostat in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 4 screws, securing the control panel to the upper liner. Disconnect the wire harness and pull the panel forward to remove. Use a flathead screwdriver to help pry off the thermostat control knob. Disconnect the thermostat power wires along with the grounding wire. Lift out the thermostat, then remove the diffuser block. You can now detach the thermostat capillary tube from the control panel to fully remove the old component. Prepare the new thermostat for installation by transferring the capillary tube sleeve from the old component to the new one. Now feed the capillary tube through the control panel and secure it in the retaining clips. Reposition the diffuser block. Align the thermostat, then connect the power wires and grounding wire to the appropriate terminals. Align the control knob on the thermostat shaft and push it into place. Insert the control panel drain tube into the hole on the rear liner, then reconnect the wire harness. Realign the panel and thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.